going on a quick test drive here. We have 5,249 miles on the odometer, and the car is gated. It used to be an automatic. They used all OEM Lamborghini parts, and it is an absolute blast to drive. Definitely a smart decision on their part to make it gated. If you see any flickering on the screens, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Got the full Alcantara dash here. Really, really nice. It shifts really nice. Exhaust sounds just perfect. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. Alignment is straight. No shakes or shimmies in the wheel. Complaints with the drivability, absolutely perfect and a blast. Very, very easy to drive. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. And one thing to note, this used to be an automatic and they gated it, which makes it very, very special. This is all OEM original Lamborghini parts. It was done the right way. Absolutely gorgeous. Looking at that wheel. It's in great condition. Now on the inner spokes, you're going to see a few small chips here and there. Otherwise, very clean. Looks good. A couple small chips on the orange on the caliper. Looking at the barrel, it's in great condition. Full front clip PPF, including the headlights, side mirrors, and the carbon strip on the bottom, and this lower rocker. So looking at that, that looks amazing. Gloss black trim here, looks good. Got PPF on the side mirrors, looks amazing. And there's a couple light scuffs. It looks like someone kind of clipped those just a little bit. And then when we look at the paint, the car is ceramic coated, and it looks like this spot right here did not get wiped off very good. So you can see it kind of flashed into the paint there, just in that little area. The lower side looks good. That edge is perfect. Looking at this upper section, looks amazing. This paint is gorgeous. All of that looks good. Here on this wheel, I'm not seeing any curb rash. That looks really good. Full front clip PPF, like I said, including the headlights. That looks good. That hood looks awesome. Looks like a little impact there. A light scuff on the edge. This is just a little bit of dirt on that film. This is fully protected. Now you're probably going to see a couple little impacts here and there. It's very minor. That looks good. And that front end is really, really nice. There's a light scuff on the film. And then let's get underneath the car here. You have a little bit of rash right there. You can see that. A little bit of rash on the very edge there. From what I can tell, that carbon strip looks good. You have a little rash there. And a little spot here. But none of that's visible walking around the car about a foot off the ground. Fender looks good. This wheel does have some rash on it right there. It's very light. Side mirror looks good. A-pillar's clean. The door edge has a little chip. good. Upper section is nice and clean. That wheel looks good. And then I see some of the ceramic on here too. It looks like it kind of flashed in that spot. And you're also going to see it right there. Almost looks like some hard water spots. You can see that. That looks amazing. Top of that, nice and clean. Now when we look at that back bumper, you're going to see a color shift. So that's a lot darker, and that is lighter in the middle, and then once again a little darker. So if you can see that, probably just from the sun and things like that. Looking at that carbon diffuser, that looks amazing. That looks really good. Let's get down low on those blades. Blade looks good, nice and clean. That one looks good. Those look perfect. I'm not seeing any flaws there. All right, checking out the interior. Tons of carbon, Alcantara seats, and it is gated. Absolutely gorgeous in here. Looking at this panel. Upper section, it's perfect. This is nice and clean. Looks like a really light marking right there. Other than that, looks perfect. That trim looks good. Do see a chip right here, a little scuff on that sticker. That bolster looks perfect all the way through. Upper section looks good. Very little wear on that seat. And here on the steering wheel, it is Alcantara, and it is matted down, and it looks like they kind of revitalized it, but it's going to give it all that texture. So it's a little rough. It still has some softness to it, but you can see when it gets kind of matted like this. So put a new wrap on that, and it would look really good. Upper section looks good. Kind of scanning through that dash, nice and clean. You got carbon everywhere. And getting up close on all these buttons, they look good. Not much to pick apart in here, honestly. If anything, it's just the Alcantara here, and it's still in great condition. You can see the lines you can make. All right, checking out the door panel here. Upper section looks amazing. Handle's nice and clean. That looks really good. Checking out the jam and looking at the jam. That all looks good. Here on the seat, that bolster looks perfect. Seat is very clean. Carpets look good. You can see all the Alcantara in there looks good. Upper side of the dash, nice and pretty. Here's all the carbon. Looks really good. Not much to pick apart on this side. That carpet looks amazing. Bags are clean. All this plastic looks really good. Here on the underside, nice and clean. There's your color. Looks awesome. All right, looking at the top. It's in great condition. Looks really nice. Let's go check out the other side. I don't see any rips or tears. Of course, you're going to have the marking here from when it folds into the trunk. Other than that, it's in great condition.